Father Fish. Nice to have you.
We have a
Okay.
bit.
Wonder.
Richie is here.
Oh, awesome.
Hey, Richie.
Hello, Father Fish. Hello, Joey.
Hello, how are you?
I'm not too bad. I'm not too bad. I thought I'd come up and just show you my tank.
Oh, lovely.
I have some plants in it, and the leaves are all falling off.
Where are you from, Richie?
I'm from the west coast of Ireland, Joey.
Okay, I can hear an accent, but I wasn't sure. Yeah, very nice.
Hit the other button. Hit the other button, Richie. There he is.
So the camera come with the little gear symbol, and then you want to flip the camera. It has front or back as an option.
See the little gear on the bottom? Hit that button.
There's a little gear above the cam mic button.
There you go.
Good job.
No.
All right.
Yeah, that's my tank there, and look, can you see it there?
Yeah, move your fingers.
You got some black skirt tetras. What else you got in there?
I have just some glow lights and some black tetras as well. The black neon.
Nice.
Is that a deep
Say again, Father Fish?
Is that a deep substrate?
It is, yes. It's there's about 1 inch of compost, and it's about 4 inches in total. About an inch and a half, an inch to an inch and a half of compost, and the rest of it.
And I mean, you got a Millennium Falcon in there. Awesome.
I do. That's my son's edition. So it is.
I'm an old Star Wars fan, so that's cute. How long you had the tanks up, Richie? How long you been doing fish?
I have fish. I have fish about, I suppose, about 8 years. Well, 6 to 8 years. I've had tetras and guppies. I gave up the guppies then and just went with the tetras. But I took my tank down. I took my tank down about 2 or 3 months ago. About 3 months ago, and I started watching Father Fish. So then I decided to go with the dirted substrate.
Very nice.
This is it so far. I'm just waiting on the shop up here again that I can go and get some more plants.
Yes.
Yeah, you get to add some plants. That'd be perfect.
So that's it. So just wondering, Father Fish, what would be causing this? See how the leaves have fallen off the plants there in the back. What that?
Your water is kind of yellow. I would do some water changes and maybe add another inch of sand.
Right. Well, the yellow in the water is probably from the driftwood.
Maybe, but it could be from the dirt. Your sand may not be deep enough.
Okay, I will add more sand to it. So.
But you're on your way. That looks wonderful.
Yeah.
Just like come in, so I hadn't intended on coming on this soon until I got more plants. But when I seen the plant, the leaves falling
I'll
off.
be very interested in seeing it with more plants.
Right.
As soon as we get stopped from this COVID, the shops aren't ordering anything at the moment. So I'm left with what I have here.
Yeah.
So once we get the shop open, we will get them rolling again.
Excellent.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll make room for others to join in there, and I'll go away from it.
Well, thank you, Richie. Delighted to have you here.
Nice
no problem at all. Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me, guys.
Bye-bye.
You bet. Bye for now.
Hello, Craig and PJ.
Thanks for plugging in and watching and being a part of this channel and this series of videos. Found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice to have you with us. Come on back.